Assalamu alaikum, little learners. Welcome to our exciting journey of knowledge here at Moral Mind Learning Hub channel. Each week, we will dive into fun topics like math, English, inspiring Muslim stories, moral lessons, and even science facts. Today, we're gonna learn the table of 2 using a super cool method called KB's table method. Are you ready? So let's jump right. Bismillah Rahim. KB's table method breaks down the multiplication table of 2 into 3 easy segments. This way you can memorize it easily and remember it forever. Let's look at the first part. Our first segment has the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. These are the single-digit numbers in the 2 times table. Let's say them together. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. Cool, right? Now we've got some awesome single-digit numbers down. Let's move on to the next segment. Here we have the double-digit numbers that start with 1. That is 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Let's say them together, kids. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. You're doing amazing. You can see how multiplying by 2 just add 2 each time. Now, let's jump to the last segment. Our last segment might be small, but it's just as important. Here we go. 20, 22, 24. Let's say them together. 20, 22, 24. You're gonna notice that the last segment all starts with 2. Now that you've unlocked the final segment of the 2 times table, let's take it together again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Well done. Now that we've memorized the 2 times table, let's put it into action. Here are 12 counters. If I ask, what is 2 multiplied by 4? That means you are going to set aside 4 counters. As you do that, recite the KB multiplication table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Where the counting ends gives you the answer. So, what do you get, kids? Exactly. 2 times 4 equals 8. Let's do this one more time. Example 2. What is 2 multiplied by 3? Don't forget, let's set out 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. Then let's recite multiplication table 2 using KB's method. 2, 4, 6. How many do we have, kids? We have 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Great. Okay, last one before I ask you to try. What is 2 multiplied by 5? Let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many do we have, kids? 10. Perfect. You guys are amazing at this. Now, I want you to try this one. What is 2 times 6? Set aside 6 counters. Recite the multiplication table and see where you end up. Don't forget to leave your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to see all your responses. If you enjoyed our math adventure today, remember to like, follow, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of math together. Until next time, keep exploring and having fun. Ma'as salam.